All right, welcome to this operational explainer. We are tackling a massive headache in modern manufacturing today. We're going to explore exactly how you can take all that chaotic, scattered, and honestly overwhelming factory data and transform it into crystal clear, actionable business intelligence. Our core focus today is the Pro-4 IoT platform. Look, if you've ever felt like you are literally drowning in mountains of data pouring off your production lines, believe me, you are not alone. Today, we're breaking down the exact solution you've been looking for. And the absolute best part, we are going to show you how to do it without ripping out or replacing any of your existing systems.
So ask yourself this right now. How on earth do you make sense of millions of data points from a distributed factory? You've got different production lines, auxiliary facilities, automation systems, all completely independent of one another. Generating that data, well, that's a piece of cake. But instantly understanding what it actually means for your operations in real time, that is the million-dollar problem we're solving today.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap to get you from data silos to strategic digital transformation. We'll be covering 6 key areas: data chaos, Pro-4 as the brain of your factory, role-specific KPIs, proactive energy analytics, automated reporting, and finally, strategic transformation. Section 1. Data chaos in production. Just look at what we typically have running on a factory floor. We've got MES systems, SCADA infrastructures, PLCs, DCS systems, energy analyzers, machine sensors, auxiliary facilities, the whole shebang. Make no mistake, these are absolutely indispensable systems, and they're fantastic at what they do. But there's a massive catch here. They usually do not talk to each other. When these systems operate in isolation, they create these giant data silos. They essentially blindfold your decision makers. The information is technically sitting right there, but the connection between the data points is zero. Which brings us to Section 2, Pro-4, the brain of the factory. Here is the absolute crucial definition to keep in mind for this whole explainer. The Pro-4 IoT platform is an industrial business intelligence and operational analytics layer. Notice that word layer. It does not tear out your current MES or SCADA. Instead, it sits right on top of them like a giant umbrella. It integrates seamlessly to give you total, unified visibility. It harmonizes all that chaos without disrupting the foundation you've already built. And this brilliantly illustrates the dynamic. Think of your existing MES and SCADA systems as the nervous system of your factory. The nervous system's job is just to collect signals and execute orders on the floor, right? Pro-4, on the other hand, is the brain. It takes all that centralized data from the nervous system, analyzes it, instantly finds the bottlenecks, and actually empowers you to make strategic decisions. The nervous system just feels, the brain understands and takes action. Moving on to Section 3, role-specific KPI dashboards. One of the most powerful things about this platform is its flexibility. Everyone in the facility does not need to look at the exact same crowded, confusing dashboard. If you're a maintenance team member, your primary concern is fixing machines, right? So the platform dynamically shapes itself to show you unplanned downtime and alarm histories. But if you're the CEO, you're comparing ROI across facilities. The dashboard instantly shifts to focus on return on investment and overarching production capacity. It gives everyone exactly what they need to succeed. Now look at the sheer depth of what you can actually track centrally here. We are talking about production capacity, line efficiency, equipment availability, downtime durations, alarm density, and overall process efficiency. This is literally like a real-time X-ray for your factory. Within seconds, you can see exactly why a specific line slowed down, or you can identify which machine is constantly triggering alarms. There is no guesswork anymore, just immediate clarity. All right, Section 4, Proactive Energy Analytics. Energy is an absolute giant when it comes to hidden operational costs. What Pro-4 does is monitor all of these critical resources centrally. Whether it's electricity, natural gas, water, compressors, or pumps and fans, it's all tracked in one single place. By pulling this together, the platform instantly catches those highly energy-intensive processes that normally just fly completely under the radar. So the crucial point here is the total mindset shift it allows. Look at the old reactive way. That's just opening a massive utility bill at the end of the month and sighing because the money is already gone. Now look at the proactive approach. You're tracking energy consumption per unit in real time. You're actively comparing equipment usage, and you're instantly optimizing costs while the machines are still running. It is a massive leap forward for your ultimate profitability. Section 5, Automated Periodic Reporting. Let's look at how this builds into a totally flawless pipeline.
Step 1, the system continuously collects data from all your integrated platforms. Step 2, it automatically applies your necessary timelines, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. And step 3, customized PDF or Excel reports are generated and sent straight to your inbox. You get all your critical shift performances and KPIs delivered automatically without ever lifting a finger.
Honestly, you can finally say goodbye to the Excel nightmare. Think about all those frustrating hours your team wastes right now just trying to manually pull mismatched data from different systems to stitch together one weekly report. Actually, scratch that. It's probably days of wasted time. With Pro-4, that manual burden vanishes. You have this incredibly powerful analytical engine just ticking away perfectly in the background. Finally, Section 6, Strategic Digital Transformation. This right here is what real-world digital transformation actually looks like. It isn't just a corporate buzzword. Pro-4 gives your management team the power to blend live data with historical archives. It enables centralized management across multiple facilities, runs long-term trend analysis, vastly speeds up decision-making, and gives you immediate root cause discovery for unexpected downtime. It essentially gives you the power to plan the future of your company based on actual, rock-solid data. To summarize the core magic of this entire integration, just look at the stark contrast. You are pulling your facility out of the dark ages, a reactive environment full of isolated data, delayed reactions, and hidden inefficiencies. And you're moving right into an era of true operational excellence, defined by a data-driven strategy, centralized visibility, instant action, and a really vibrant culture of continuous improvement. If you are ready to stop drowning in data and start driving real strategic growth, the path forward is pretty clear. You can reach out directly to the team at info@pro4technology.com to kick off your own strategic digital transformation journey. So, I'll leave you with this final thought. Are you ready to stop drowning in those data mountains and take true operational excellence into your own hands? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I absolutely love breaking down these complex operational puzzles with you, and I wish you highly efficient, transparent, and totally profitable operations moving forward. Catch you next time.